It's the very latest from Mahindra. The styling on the Marazzo is inspired by a shark. You can see that in the front grille with the shark's teeth and also here in the tail lamp with the shark fin. But it's also smooth like a shark. How? Let's dive deep and find out. The Marazzo makes a bold claim, best-in-class ride quality. Now, that's a very vital attribute that buyers of MPVs look for anyway. So, is it true? Well, the car feels really supple. It maneuvers easily while maintaining its composure even on really bad roads and in tight traffic. Its light clutch will also help cut fatigue on long drives.
The Marazzo has the longest rear suspension travel in its class at 245 millimeters. It also gets a rear twist beam which provides stiffness and also cuts body roll. Special isolators have been used to further cut any bumps traveling up from the wheels to the car's frame, thus providing a smoother and more comfortable ride.
So I decided to take the wheel to also tell you that the Marazzo has pretty good handling. Now, given the overall length and height of this vehicle, you still get a good amount of agility thanks to that front-wheel drive setup. And a properly stiff steering also means fairly precise cornering.
Longer knuckles and forged aluminium components in the front suspension enable easy handling and greater dynamics by keeping the weight up front lower.
And all that means is that you feel like driving for miles on end.
Watch the rest of our video series that brings you more highlights of the Marazzo.